everyone, welcome to Oxbridge Learning the Fun Way with Palak Gupta. Today you are going to meet my two new friends. Are you ready? This is Sia. Sia is a girl. That is Mithu. Mithu is a dog. मैंने सिया के लिए this use करा और मिठू के लिए that use करा. ऐसा क्यों? It's because Sia is near me, whereas मिठू is far from me. इसका मतलब है this हम तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई one thing, one person, one animal हमारे पास हो. They are near us. और that हम तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई one thing, one animal और one person हमसे दूर हो. They are far from us. Let's practice with some examples. This is a ball. That is a tree. This is a pen. That is a pencil. Now, can you tell this one? Correct. This is a book and that is a lady. That's all for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.